Hi, welcome back to a quick walkthrough video of Home Inventory Tracker. This is a simple template which will help keep track of all your home inventory under one place. On the left side, we can see the total estimated purchases, the total purchases that has been made, the difference in between the both, and the total percentage of purchases that was made in comparison to the estimated purchase. On the right side, we can see three different sections. There is the inventory categories. Here you can set up different category of inventory. So I have classified inventory under dairy and eggs, medicines, and fruits and veggies. Under every category, you can see the subcategories that are listed over here, along with the estimated budgeted purchase that you're supposed to make. Then you can see the inventory overview, which states the total purchases made, the consumption units, and the availability units, and the percentage of total units that has been consumed. So this is applicable for all the different subcategory of items that you have listed out. Then finally, we have the transaction section where you can specify the inventory transaction that is happening. So here you can see there is a cheese purchase. So I have specified cheese over here. So once you click on this, you can see all the different subcategory items over here. And then you can put the inventory items that has been purchased and the amount of purchases made. And when the cheese is getting consumed, so you can add another entry over here, specify cheese. And if you scroll to the right, you can see another column which is saying items used. Here you can specify the number of items that has been used. Once you do all these transaction entries, everything will update automatically as and when you see a different subsections, and you can keep a track of how much inventory is available and how much consumption is required for every inventory that you have in your home. So this template is entirely customizable for your requirement. If you need to customize the template further to your needs, feel free to reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com. I'll be happy to assist you on this further. Thank you.